Hey everyone! Today we are going to show how to make an online store using Google Sheets. If you're running a business on WhatsApp and want to create a simple but powerful online store using just Google Sheets, this video is for you. No coding, no technical headaches, just your product list. First, go to the Google and search store.link. Click on the first result of the search. Now we need to create an account using our Gmail. Click on Create a Store.link button and sign in with Google. The first time it asks for permission to access Google Drive. Depending on your requirements, you can now select a template. The order is going to be received via WhatsApp, so we can use a quick order template. Now enter your store name and currency. Make sure to enable WhatsApp and enter your number. Store created successfully. We can see it at the provided link. You can customize the store as you wish. It allows you to customize homepage, checkout, etc. If you need advanced customizations like payment method, analytics, and other integrations, you need to buy their plan. Let's see how to add new products. Go to the Products section and click on Open Product Sheet. These are already added sample products, and you can remove them and add yours. After the added all product details, let's see how to add product image. Under the Products menu, go to the Gallery tab. Click on Upload and upload your image. After the image uploaded, select the image and click on Copy Image. Go back to the sheet and paste the copied image into the thumbnail column. Now go to the store and click on Force Sync Products under the Manage tab. It will show in the store now. Let's add it to the cart and place an order. It will show all the order details with the tracking link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.